Hello, my name is Ranie. I'm going to talk to you about life in Egypt. Let's start with unifying Egypt, which means united. There is Upper Egypt and Lower Egypt. Upper Egypt is southwards from the cataracts of the Nile. Lower Egypt is the northern region of Egypt. Upper Egypt's crown is white and Lower Egypt's crown is red. Here are the crowns of Upper Egypt. Lower Egypt, and united. A legend says King Menes led his army north into Lower Egypt, wearing the double crown. No one knows if this is true. That was in 3150 BC. That was a long time ago. BC means before Christ. AD is actually Latin for Anno Domini, meaning of in the year of our Lord. Unifying made Egypt stronger. Now you know something about their crowns were different before they joined together. To learn more about unification of Egypt, see your local librarian for a good book. Have a great day.